Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I am Ashadullah with you from Dr. Ashadullah Medical Consultant. Today I will discuss with you about Bangladesh private medical admission. Golden opportunity to study MBBS from medical college at very low cost in Bangladesh. I can give admission to India, Kashmir, Nepali student in any private medical college in Bangladesh. MBBS from Bangladesh at a very low cost will be able to complete and become a good doctor inshallah. There are 66 private medical colleges in Bangladesh which are approved by BMDC and recognized by WHO International Standard. There are 7,217 seats in 66 private medical colleges in Bangladesh. 45% of which are for foreigners. Every year, India, Kashmir, about 2,000 students from India, Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan, Palestine are enrolled in MBBS course in Bangladesh. Most of them come from Indian and Kashmiri students. To complete MBBS from India cost around 1 crore. And from Bangladesh only 40 lakh to complete MBBS. Bangladesh MBBS course is 5 year and 1 year internship. This is a total of 6 years of MBBS life. I can admit those who have a given NEET exam in any private medical college in Bangladesh. I can provide medical admission offer letter, BMDC eligible certificate and visa processing very quickly. On behalf of Ashadullah Medical Consultant, you can knock me on WhatsApp or mail or call me for details and medical admission. Account of MBBS course in Bangladesh, 1.5 year first prof, first year and second year, and 1 year second prof, third year, and 1 year third prof, fourth year, and 1.5 year fourth prof, fifth year, and 1 year internship. Total 6 year MBBS life. Please knock me or mail or call me. Thanks all watching for this video. I am Ashadullah from Dr. Ashadullah Medical Consultant in Bangladesh.